Hi, I'm Marlo from Wild Food UK, out foraging again. In fact, today we're doing a bit of a mushroom survey, and we found a mushroom that I had to do an individual video of because it's got me so excited. Just down here, Attila, let's have a look. You can see my happy face right beside it. Because what we have here is a mushroom that I am just absolutely delighted to see. This is the tiered tooth fungus, or Hericium cirrhatum. There's a couple of other Hericiums in the UK. We've got the lion's mane fungus, Hericium erinaceus, which is a protected fungus. You're not even allowed to touch that if you find it. And there's also the Hericium coralloides, which is a bit more like this, but a bit more of a branched version of what you see here, the tiered tooth. Now, this mushroom gets mycologists and mycophiles, which is what I consider myself, as excited as a field full of porcinis, believe me. Someone found one of these in Gloucestershire, I believe, not too long ago, and it made the home page of the BBC website. So that's how exciting a find this mushroom is. Now, it's not protected currently in the UK, but the list of fungus that are protected in the UK, to me, is a bit out of date. I think that the British Mycological Society need to up their game a little bit and start protecting a few more of our fungal friends, and this would certainly be a contender for that list. It's a mushroom that I think I've only ever found once before in my life. So yeah, this is a find that's made me more happy today than the winter chanterelles and the porcinis put together. Hericium cirrhatum, an amazing fungus. Growing on beach, I believe it's really or mostly exclusive to beach. Now I'll step out and let Attila get some shots of the mushroom for you, because you don't need to listen to me when there is something this beautiful and amazing to look at. And if you would like to find out more, go to wildfooduk.com.